Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Just thinking back. Mm-hmm. Remember spinning vinyl in that quiet room, hazy afternoon with your sweet perfume. Yeah, you had that certain way of looking straight at me, yeah, like you could see the person I was meant to be. We let the record finish, flip to the B-side, a comfortable connection with nothing to hide. And the calendar keeps turning, a constant design, but a piece of that feeling I can still find it. It's just a low-key memory, a sweet reverie, playing back on a loop for only me. Yeah, not looking for a sequel, not trying to rewind, just appreciating the cool we left behind, the cool we left behind. The static from the speakers and the street lights through the pain, locking out the sound of the falling rain. We talk for hours till the skies was turning gold, about everything and nothing, a future to behold. No pressure in the silence, no need to pretend, just two people vibing right up to the end. Yeah, the calendar keeps turning, a constant design, but a piece of that feeling I can still find it. It's just a low-key memory, sweet reverie, playing back on the feeling, yeah, only me. Not looking for a sequel, not trying to rewind, don't wanna go back. The crew we left behind, the cool we left behind. Some pages turn and some books close for good, and you know what? It's all understood. No feelings lost, just misplaced in the years. I'm smiling when I think of it, holding back no tears. It's all good, baby. It's all good. Feel that? Yeah. Hear that bass line? Ooh, take it there. Just like that. So